Hello everyone, my name is Vrishali Lavande. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I have pursued my Masters of Commerce and Bachelor of Education from Pune University. I was working as PGT Commerce in Kendriya Vidyalaya based in Lonavala on contractual basis since 2 years. I currently left my job due to shifting to Mumbai due to my marriage. But since teaching has been my passion and I'm looking for more growth in this profession, I have decided to go with the online teaching. I have taught class 11th and 12th commerce, also class 9th, 10th and 7th class social science. Before that, I have also taught the EVS and math subject to class 4th and 5th. This has been my teaching experience. Today, I am going to teach one small topic in accountancy of class 12th CBSE board, which is issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. So let us start with today's class. We already know why do we issue the debentures: to raise the debt capital. Now this issue of debentures can be of two types. We can issue the debentures for cash, means in return when we issue the debentures we shall get cash in return. So debenture goes out to the public and the cash comes in the business. This issue can be at par, at discount and at premium. In the similar way, we issue the debentures sometimes to the vendors for purchase of assets or assumption of liabilities. Here, we do not pay cash to the vendors, rather we issue the debentures to the vendors. In return, these vendors are known as our debenture holders. Similarly, as when the debentures were issued for cash at premium, at par and at discount, in the similar way, this issue of debentures for consideration other than cash can be at par, at premium and at discount. Now, accounting for this case shall be a little bit different from the issue of debentures for cash case. Now, how it is, we will have a look by solving one question. The question is, JBL Company Limited purchased assets of book value rupees 2 lakh from ABC Limited and agreed to make the payment of purchase consideration by issuing 10% debentures of rupees 100 each. Journalize the transactions if the debentures are issued at, we have been given three cases in this question, at par, at premium of 25% and at discount of 20%. So here our company is JBL Company Limited. We have purchased assets. The book value is rupees 2 lakh. So assets have come in our business and in return to these assets we have issued the debentures. And our vendor is ABC Limited. Vendor is a person from whom we have purchased the assets. And what debentures we have issued? We have issued 10% debentures. The face value of each debenture is rupees 100. Now, we have three cases. Depending upon the purchase consideration, we will calculate the number of debentures in each case. So, first step is to prepare the journal. Date, particulars, LF, debit amount and credit amount columns. Then let us start with first the working note. How many debentures will be issued? Our first case, when debentures were issued at par, in that case, how the number of debentures shall be calculated? Purchase consideration divided by nominal value of debentures. So our purchase consideration is rupees 2 lakh, which is given in the question, and nominal value of debentures, if the debentures are issued at par, is rupees 100. So 2 lakh divided by 100 gives us 2000 debentures. So in the first case, the number of debentures are 2000. Let us start this question by passing the journal entry. Our first journal entry shall be recording the assets which have come in our business. We have purchased some assets, so we are recording those assets in our business. First journal entry shall be sundry assets account debit rupees 2 lakh to ABC Limited account rupees 2 lakh. ABC Limited is our vendor. मतलब journal entry है sundry accounts debit 2 lakh to vendor account rupees 2 lakh. In this question, the name of vendor is given, so we have created his account ABC Limited account. Narration shall be being assets purchased from ABC Limited. Now second journal entry will be settling the claim of ABC Limited. Now debit the receiver ABC Limited account debit or the vendor's account debit with rupees 2 lakh, since the purchase consideration is of 2 lakh, to 10% debentures rupees 2 lakh. Narration shall be being 2000 10% debentures of 100 each issued to ABC Limited at par, because the face value was 100 and we have issued it at 100 only. This is the simple and the basic journal entry. Second case, when the debentures were issued at premium of 25% given in the question. Now see, we have nominal value of debenture as rupees 100 and premium of 25%. So 25% on 100 comes to 25 rupees. So our premium is of rupees 25. Now in this case, how the number of debentures shall be calculated? Let's have a look. We will have the same formula, that is purchase consideration divided by nominal value of debenture plus premium amount. Now here purchase consideration is rupees 2 lakh and nominal value of debenture was rupees 100 plus premium was rupees 25. So it shall be 2 lakh divided by rupees 125 gives us 1600 debentures. Now in this case we have debentures only 1600. So based on this calculation we have to pass the journal entry. In second case, our first journal entry remains the same, that is sundry assets account debit to vendor's account or ABC Limited account with rupees 2 lakh. Now second journal entry will be ABC Limited account debit with rupees 2 lakh to 10% debentures account 1600 debentures into rupees 100 1,60,000 to securities premium reserve account 1600 debentures into rupees 25, which is 40,000. Now let us understand this journal entry. 10% debentures account, this is a debenture capital accounts. The debenture capital account always gets credited at its face value. Now in this question we have rupees 100 as our face value. It is given. Hence debenture account will always get credited at its face value. Number of debentures as per our working note are 1600. So 1600 into 100 gives us 1,60,000. Securities premium reserve account. We have a premium of rupees 25 and number of debentures as 1600. So 1600 into 25, you can make the calculation. The answer comes to rupees 40,000. Hence, ABC Limited account is debited with rupees 2 lakh. To 10% debenture account shall be credited with rupees 1,60,000. To securities premium reserve account with rupees 40,000. Narration shall be, being 1600, 10% debentures of rupees 100 each issued to ABC Limited at a premium of 25%. Please have a look at the difference between the second journal entry of first case and second journal entry of the second case. यहाँ पे 2000 debentures है और यहाँ पे 1600 debentures है. The difference is due to the change in the value of debenture. That is, at first it was only 100 since the issue was at par, and in the second, since the issue was at premium, we have added 25 rupees to this 100 and calculated the number of debentures accordingly. In the similar way, how the third case shall be dealt with. Let us have a look at the working note for third case when the debentures are issued at discount. Now here discount as per our question is 20%. Here it is our question. Now we have face value of debentures as rupees 100. 20% on 100 is rupees 20. Simple calculation. So our discount is of rupees 20. Now come to the third working note, that is how to calculate number of debentures. Formula remains the same. Purchase consideration divided by nominal value of debenture minus the discount amount. Now purchase consideration is of rupees 2 lakh. Our nominal value of debenture, that is face value of debenture, was rupees 100 minus discount amount calculated is rupees 20. So आपका calculation होगा 2 lakh divided by 100 minus 20, 80. The value of one debenture shall be 80 in case of discount. So 2 lakh divided by 80 gives us 2500 debentures. Let us pass the journal entry with this. In the third case also, the first journal entry, which is our basic journal entry, sundry assets account debit with rupees 2 lakh to ABC Limited account debit with rupees 2 lakh remains the same. Second journal entry will be issuing the debentures at discount. Now here one account will come in the picture, that is your discount on issue of debentures account. Journal entry shall be ABC Limited account debit with rupees 2 lakh, discount on issue of debentures debit with rupees 50,000 to 10% debentures account 2,50,000. Let us analyze this journal entry. First, debit the receiver, that is vendor account, with how much we have to pay him. His purchase consideration is rupees 2 lakh, so we will pass the journal entries accordingly. As I said earlier, debenture account shall always be credited with the face value of one debenture, which is 2500 into 100, 2,50,000. Discount on issue of debentures shall be 2500 into rupees 20, which is 50,000, and ABC Limited account will be 2500 into rupees 80, which is 2 lakh rupees. So our journal entry is ABC Limited account debit 2 lakh, discount on issue of debentures account debit 50,000, and 10% debentures account 2,50,000. Thank you for this class. Hope you understood.